Adobe All Software List 101, All Adobe Programs. Adobe All Software. Adobe Products List. Adobe Software List. Adobe offers a comprehensive suite of software applications and services catering to various creative needs, including graphic design, video editing, photography, web development, and more. Here's a detailed list of Adobe software, graphic design and illustration. 1. Adobe Photoshop, industry standard software for image editing, compositing, and graphic design. 2. Adobe Illustrator, vector graphics editor for creating logos, icons, illustrations, and scalable graphics. 3. Adobe InDesign, page layout software for designing publications, posters, brochures, and digital magazines. 4. Adobe InCopy, collaborative writing and editing tool integrated with InDesign for managing editorial workflows. Video editing and motion graphics. 5. Adobe Premiere Pro, professional video editing software for editing, color grading, and post-production of video content. 6. Adobe After Effects, motion graphics and visual effects software for creating cinematic animations, titles, and composites. 7. Adobe Audition, audio editing and post-production software for recording, editing, mixing, and mastering audio content. 8. Adobe Character Animator, animation software that brings characters to life through real-time puppeteering and animation. Photography and image editing. 9. Adobe Lightroom Classic, photo editing and organization software for photographers, offering advanced editing tools and raw processing. 10. Adobe Lightroom, cloud-based photo service with editing, organizing, and sharing features across desktop, mobile, and web platforms. 11. Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, mobile app for editing and enhancing photos on smartphones and tablets. 12. Adobe Photoshop Express, free mobile app for quick and easy photo editing and enhancement. Web design and development. 13. Adobe Dreamweaver, web design and development software for creating responsive websites and web applications. 14. Adobe XD, UX/UI design and prototyping tool for designing websites, mobile apps, and interactive prototypes. 15. Adobe Animate, animation and interactive media software for creating animated cartoons, interactive web content, and multimedia applications. Document management and publishing. 16. Adobe Acrobat DC, PDF editing and document management software for creating, editing, and sharing PDF documents. 17. Adobe FrameMaker, authoring and publishing tool for creating structured documents, technical documentation, and user guides. 18. Adobe RoboHelp, help authoring tool for creating online help systems, knowledge bases, and documentation projects. Collaboration and productivity. 19. Adobe Creative Cloud, subscription-based service providing access to Adobe's entire collection of creative software applications, services, and tools. 20. Adobe Spark, online design and storytelling tool for creating social media graphics, web pages, and short videos. 21. Adobe Fresco, drawing and painting app with natural media brushes for digital art creation on tablets and touch devices. Additional tools and services. 22. Adobe Bridge, media management software for organizing, browsing, and viewing creative assets across Adobe applications. 23. Adobe Stock, stock photography, vectors, illustrations, and video footage library integrated with Adobe Creative Cloud applications. 24. Adobe Fonts, collection of high-quality fonts for use in creative projects, available for sync through Adobe Creative Cloud. This comprehensive list covers a wide range of Adobe software applications and services, each serving different creative disciplines and purposes. Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, photographer, web developer, or content creator, Adobe offers tools and solutions to meet your creative needs.